Fountain, safe and sane version from Santan Fireworks. But before we tell you what the fountain is, you know him. Say hello to Sergeant Pyro! Sergeant Pyro, who do we have tonight from Miracle Fireworks?
Pyro Patrick.
Pyro Patrick. Now you can see down here, you can see it's under the water. We don't see no pineapple under the sea, but we do see Pyro Patrick. Now, you can see down here it says, caution, emits showers of sparks. Let's flip her around. Now, this performance is huge. So I'm going to try to read it as best as I can. It says, who's Bob's best friend? Absolutely, it is Patrick. It says red spring, gold silk, white blue, green spring, silver crackling cherry with red green. Really spectacular. All right. Let's go over one more time. We'll flip him around the back. There we go. All right, he's got his little arms on the side. There we go. Sergeant Pyro, are you ready to get to the street pad?
Yeah!
Let's light Pyro Patrick now! Light away, Sergeant Pyro! All right, Pyro Patrick is kill the lights. There we go. All right. Whoa. Whoa! That is like a reddish, definitely a reddish color. Oh! A little smoky, but I love it. Whoa! We got a lot of people coming in and out of the ranch. There we go. Yeah. Woo! Get ready. Oh, no. and he ended with a tiki torch. Look at his head. Pyro Patrick is on fire. BBQ!